I just don't know why I forgot about this. Walking barefoot in nature is something I've done since I was a little child, every day in summer. It was a normal thing to do for us country kids, when it was very warm and we were playing outside. We never thought about it, but it also was no surprise for me when I heard people talking about the health benefits of barefoot walking. Here in Germany, we knew about those because of influential historical figures like Pfarrer Kneipp. And nowadays, it turned into a worldwide health trend. So, what are the benefits of walking barefoot on different natural grounds? First of all, and this is kinda logical, it stimulates the blood circulation in your feet more than anything else. It's the best massage you can get completely for free. It also strengthens the foot muscles that are often stunted because of wearing shoes. According to some experts, weak foot muscles can lead to problems in the knees, legs, and the back. And of course, it can cause a bad posture and deformities. So walking barefoot also benefits your posture and helps to keep your whole skeleton healthy. In the traditional Chinese medicine, there are spots everywhere on your whole body, also on the feet, that are connected with all organs. You know this from acupuncture, where you massage or put small needles into those spots to stimulate the function of certain organs. And by walking barefoot, these spots on the feet get naturally stimulated and animate several organs and body functions. That's the theory, and I think you can feel that after a longer barefoot walk. My friend Kiri from the YouTube channel Child of Nature Norway just did a video about other benefits of barefoot walking 1 week ago. So watch that. It's just that I forgot about my barefoot walking practice over the winter because I am not as bad as her. But she really reminded me of it with her video, so thank you, Kiri. The famous Pfarrer Sebastian Kneipp, an actual Bavarian priest who lived in the 1800s close to our place, taught us about the benefits of walking barefoot in cold water. This practice is called Kneipen in German after his name. Also, this stimulates the blood flow, of course, strengthens the cardiovascular system, and helps cronical against cold feet. There are much more benefits, but these are the most important ones for me. But barefoot walking is not only beneficial for your physical health. It is also a spiritual practice, which is called grounding. While walking barefoot, you are directly connected with nature, and you have to be very concentrated on where you step. You feel so much that your senses are overtaking your brain, and it becomes very easy to not think so much, but only feel. So it's definitely a very much stress-reducing and easy to do form of meditation. It animates me every single time. It just makes me feel more alive and more present, and it is also very much fun. I always laugh when I do it. And I just want to encourage you to also try it one time, because you heard about the benefits now, so just try it. But please be careful, guys, to not step on something sharp. So do it only in clean, natural environments. And by clean, I mean without trash like glass laying around. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do you have a barefoot walking practice? And what are your experiences with the topic? Have the most beautiful week, my friends.